Hey guys, Mike from CoachMikeMacDonald.com here, the channel where we help business owners generate more traffic, leads, and sales for their business with digital marketing, paid ads, and automation. In today's video, I'm going to walk you through how to tag someone on Facebook without being spammy, so let's get into it. So first thing to really understand is that a lot of internet marketers and online marketers try and use Facebook to build their business, and they do it in a very sleazy, spammy way. In today's video, like I said, I'm going to show you exactly how to tag someone appropriately without coming off as a spammer that can actually build your business. So let's hop on over to Facebook and show you how to do it. All right, guys, so now that we're here on Facebook, you might be wondering how to tag someone, and it's pretty simple. It's not too difficult. So if you're on a post or you're commenting on someone's page, all you really need to do is do the @ symbol and then start typing some name. So, right, let's just do Bob, like I was typing Bob, right? So all the Bobs that I am friends with are going to come up, right? So it's pretty simple to tag someone. I could just click that and I post it, and they're going to actually get a notification. Now, when it comes to building your business and actually tagging people in a non-spammy way, there's a variety of ways to do it, but I'll jump into a Facebook group and kind of show you how to do it the most effective way. So let's, for example, type in home business. So let's say I am recruiting for a home business, or maybe I'm selling a product, like maybe I'm in health and fitness. I could go into like a health and fitness, nutrition, wellness group, right? There's a lot of options, but let's just jump into this home-based business because I'm talking to entrepreneurs, right? And let's say, for example, I'm teaching them how to generate more leads for their business, as that's one of the things I do on this channel, right? So I could come over here and find someone that posted something that's maybe kind of spammy, right? Maybe it's not the most effective marketing. Maybe they're taking somebody just right to a sales page, right? So what I can do is just come here like this post, for example. All right, I could like it, and then what I can do is I can message this person, right? So what happens though is that when you message someone, it doesn't always go into their inbox. So I could, just click on this guy here and I can follow him. That's going to kind of give him a notification as well, saying that I engaged with him. And now let me actually go back to that post so you can see it here. Just got to find it. Okay, here we go. So that's the one I liked. I can be like, hey, Phil, saw your post in a home business group we are both in, and figured I'd reach out. I hope you don't mind, but I checked out your profile and saw you were out in Ohio. I actually used to live in Columbus. Small world. Are you from anywhere near there at all? Right, so that's the message. And now let's say I wanted to tag him. So I can do @ I'll start typing his name. And so he came up right away just by putting Phil. And be like, I sent you a quick message, but it may have gone to your message request folder since we aren't friends yet. And now I can just hit that. So now he has been tagged and we're good to go. And so now he's going to get that notification that he's been tagged. He'll see my comment, and now most likely he'll go to his message and check that. message request folder and actually see my message. This is a very powerful prospecting strategy, reaching out to people. It's very effective, and it's how you can actually tag people without being spammy. So as you can see, Phil liked it already. So it definitely works, and it's not a spammy way to tag people and get effective results for prospecting and growing your business through Facebook and Facebook groups. Well, again, guys, hopefully you got some benefit and value out of this video. If you did, feel free to comment and share, and be sure to subscribe and turn on those bell notifications to get the latest updates of new videos we put out here to help you build a profitable business. And if you haven't done so yet, be sure to check out my free attraction marketing ebook. There'll be a link in the description below. So go ahead and check that out, or you can head to coachmikemcdonald.com/ebook, or again, just click the link below to download that free marketing ebook to teach you how to generate a flood of leads every day for your business. But once again, thanks so much for tuning in, and we'll talk to you more soon.